If you are looking for the best sliding compound miter saw, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. DEWALT sliding compound miter saw. This is a beast of a saw that's capable of everything you can imagine and quite a few things you've never thought of. Just as impressive, it can cut through a 16-inch wide piece of lumber thanks to the sliding rails and large 12-inch blade. Add the powerful 15-amp motor into the equation and it's easy to see why this saw tops our list. The DWS 779 can bevel to both sides beyond 45 degrees. The fence will even slide out of the way to allow the blade plenty of room. Number 2. Metabo HPT compound miter saw. The Metabo HTPC10FCGS, you can get an excellent miter saw at a very affordable price. It's got a smaller 10-inch blade that can't cut through larger lumber, but for anything 2x6 and smaller, it's a great choice. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor, it's got plenty of power to cut through anything that the blade will reach through. It's even great for cutting through metals if you switch the blade out. One problem we noticed with a lot of the premium 12-inch miter saws was that they were extremely heavy and bulky. Number 3. Bosch GCM12 SD 12 inches sliding compound miter saw. It's packed with every feature and extra that you can imagine, but it comes with a premium price tag. This saw is also a heavyweight beast, tipping the scales at 88 pounds. But it's got the punch of a heavyweight too, with a 3 horsepower, 15-amp motor sending nearly unlimited power to the blade. It also has an excellent dust collection system, extremely sturdy and well built, 14-inch cutting capacity, vacuum adapter, and built-in sliding supports. The table is large to provide support, but it goes a step further with extendable support arms for 40 total inches of support. Number 4. Bosch GCM12 SD 12 inches sliding compound miter saw. The GCM12 SD 12-inch miter saw from Bosch Power Tools is the Rolls-Royce of miter saws. This saw is a heavyweight beast, tipping the scales at 88 pounds. But it's got the punch of a heavyweight too, with a 3 horsepower, 15-amp motor sending nearly unlimited power to the blade. On the back of the saw is a port where you can attach a vacuum to clean up the dust as you cut, eliminating any mess. The table is large to provide support, but it goes a step further with extendable support arms to give you 40 total inches of support. Number 5. Makita LC1230 12 inches metal cutting saw. The Makita LC1230 metal cutting saw comes with miter settings that will allow you to adjust the angle of your cut from 0 to 45 degrees. Additionally, you'll be able to do your work safely as it has impressive safety features. The Makita LC1230 metal cutting saw functions by means of a 2-finger trigger and a comfortable D-shaped handle. This makes it easy to make repeated cuts easily. It can cut through up to 4.5 inches of metal at a 90-degree angle and 3.5 inches at a 45-degree angle. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.